आमकां आदेशूय दिला 15 years vehicle जे आसा ते स्क्रॅप करपा जाय म्हणून. Land is yet to be identified and nobody has so far come forward. We have asked people to give EOI, expression of interest. Once we publish that EOI, आमी पळयतले who is on board and where we can locate them. There is also a misconception that scrapping of vehicle is going to lead to a lot of pollution, this, that. Nowadays, there are measures which are being undertaken to even control the pollution as a consequence of scrapping of the vehicle. Everything is reused and reusable. We have to understand that. Number one. Number two, why scrapping of vehicle is being done? Because the pollution on the road will be less when there are 15-year-old vehicle, 20-year-old vehicle. Pollution चड आसता न्ही. Pollution कमी कसो करतलो? नवी गाडी जाल्यार तितले pollution आसना. तेका लागून we have to scrap the old vehicles as per the central government policy. Starting for starters, we are going to scrap government run more than 15 years this. Even Kadam. No, heritage vehicle, there is a different law altogether. Vintage car, there is a different law under which means they don't have to be scrapped.
ओके. आणि किती लोकांच्या शेडी म्हणजे की डिझेल गाडीवर जे ट्रक बी आसा ते पहिले बॅन करता आणि मागीर खंय तरी पेट्रोल गाडीचे 4 व्हिलरचे याचेर बी.
Moment it is 15 year old, there is no distinction. Petrol or diesel, it has to be scrapped as per the new policy. आणि आम्ही स्टार्ट करतानाच आमकां आदेश येयला की गव्हर्नमेंट व्हेकल पयले कर म्हणून स्क्रॅप करपा जाय.
CNG खंय प्रमोट करतले. Promotion of CNG will be done for CNG vehicles.
Alternate fuels, obviously, promotion has to be done, whether it is on CNG or electrical vehicle, battery operated.
So, but you all are talking about electric vehicles and promoting and all, but at the same time, there's a fear about this installation of charging points. कितले फावट म्हणता एके टायमार तर even the power minister had said it is not feasible of charging points चड घालपाक, huge cost.
I know charging points have to be there. As I said earlier, whether the chicken came first or the egg came first. Once enough electrical vehicles are there, obviously, automatically, your charging stations are bound to come up, and they will come. We are ourselves as the government. We have identified several places where we are going to have the charging station.
Sir, because आता प्रायव्हेट व्हेकल्स आनी खूप जणांचे अशे व्हेकल्स आसता की ते व्हेरी रेअरली चलयतात. म्हणजे पोल्युशन 15 वर्सां जरी जाल्ली ती गाडी तेंची एकदम बरी आसता. सो तेंच्या बद्दल काही जावचें ना काय म्हणटात.
रूल आहा तो 15 वर्सांचो. गाडी कितली बरी दवरली म्हणून आमकां ते बदल करपाक मेळना. Let us be very clear on this.
So when we
These are exceptions to the rule, but we can't.
So when
that is
जागो आयडेंटिफाय करतलो.
we are in the process, Baba. Because फाल्यां तुमचेच माध्यमसून येतले हिंगा पोल्युशन जावपाचें आसा, हिंगा घालपाचें ना, परत जातलें न्हू.
So केन्नाच्यान
So
जावपाचें.
तेका लागून it has to be a carefully calibrated decision, carefully thought out location. All that we have to see.
So when we expected this scrapping?
Implementation, sir.
ASAP.
Sorry? As soon as possible.
Thank you, sir.
Huh? We are in the process of doing that. तुमकां सांगतले मरे, तुमकां सांगना